Yeah, I'm like a 2-year-old. I do not like the crust. I always need to have this with some type of yogurt. Today I'm doing the Stonyfield organic yogurt with real fruit and veggies. So we are getting our cabinet today, and we're going to put it right over here next to the bathroom. Okay, I don't think it's going anywhere. I guess I need to apply more pressure. Holding the camera and doing it at the same time. That's why. Okay, so right now I'm putting our towels up here because all the other towels are in the laundry right now, and I kind of like the way this looks. I think it looks really cute. I do have a lot of these small little baskets, but I realize like because of the space, these baskets won't really be taking advantage of the space that I have down here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get clear organizer drawers to kind of like put everything in there. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not sure if this makes much sense because we typically do have more towels in here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this side for towels, the middle for hair stuff, and then leave this side for like the bin, the clear acrylic drawers that I'm going to get. So this is how I'm leaving it for right now. I know it doesn't look the best down here, but because I don't have any of those clear organizers that I talked about, I pretty much just have to leave it like this. Well, I got this makeup organizer from Amazon. This is what the inside looks like. It has a lot of different compartments and stuff. Hopefully everything will fit in here. I have no idea. I do have a lot of stuff on that desk. I'm just crossing my fingers. I'll try to separate this a little bit. Oh, snap. So it's definitely not super aesthetic, but it's pretty functional right now. I think the main issue is the baskets. I do love the baskets, but I'm not able to position them like horizontally, because my first idea was to kind of like have them vertically but in one row, but that's not really possible because of how big they are. I'm going to switch out the candle for one of those reed diffusers. I think that will look a lot cuter in here. I just removed the toilet paper from the top, but I don't know, it doesn't look any better to me.